2009 Ecotec 2.4 in a million vehicles. This one's got the dreaded 420. I'm gonna put some plugs in it, and I'm gonna put an O2 sensor in it, the upstream. And this is the old one here, and I'm wondering why they got a 420 code. Let's see here. Well, that just might have something to do with it. I don't think nothing's left of this one. Let's put that in there and in the plugs and clear this out. Yeah, so if you get one of those 420s, I'll put some plugs in it. There's some mild lights. These are XP 5263, and the O2 sensor was a 15283. This was burned up. I always look at that first. I always change the spark plugs, because usually they're worn out and then they will throw a code 420. But I always take that Purse O2 on these Ecotec motors. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.